game ever, Walking Dead Season 2. In the Play Store there is only one season available, and the other episodes you have to purchase it. So I am going to tell you an easy way in which you get all the episodes for free. First of all, I have given the link in the description. You can go and see it. First, go to the link, and it's pages like this, somehow like this, and in this website only you can download several games. And go to search and search for Walking Dead. So here you can download both the seasons, but I am going to tell you today about the season 2. So here I am going to tell you. So you can see this is a very good game, and it has a very good story in it. So just go to the download button. First you have to download the APK, and the APK depends on which graphic card you have. So the MediaTek processor phones have Mali, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon processors have Adreno, and the Nvidia processors have Tegra. So some processors even have Power via graphic cards. So first of all, download the APK, and then and it also needs a game data. So depending on your graphic card, you have to select the data. So I am having a Snapdragon processor, so I have already downloaded an Adreno file for it. So then after downloading, go where it's downloaded. So I have downloaded it in my memory card, so I will show you. Wait for 1 second. So here it's downloaded. So it's a zip file, so you need to unzip it. So you can use softwares like ES File Explorer, or you can other softwares. WinRAR is also available. Then you need to extract it into the internal storage of the phone, and I will show you. It has to go into the Android folder, in which there is an OBB folder. So there you need to extract it. So after extracting, then you will install the APK. Do not install the APK before extracting the files to the internal storage. So I will show you how the game looks like. So here it's a very good game, and it is like an adventure thriller game, I would say that. So it's here. This is a big game, so make sure you have enough internal storage. It would be at least needing 1.80 GB of storage. So you can select episodes from here, and you can but all of them are installed in it already, and just start the game. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. Thank you everyone.